Welcome to Codex AI Mastery. This video focuses on the skills, automations, and screen intelligence that Codex provides for advanced AI-assisted work. Codex is not a chatbot, it's a persistent, parallel co-working space. You can run independent agent threads simultaneously and monitor the agent's real-time step-by-step logic in the execution pane. Codex skills convert complex, repetitive workflows into instant, reusable system tools. These are permanent, single-click executable tools that eliminate repetitive manual insertions. Experience zero-friction migration. Simply prompt the system to automatically rebuild your entire legacy skill library, including documentation and translation, in seconds. Codex agents can navigate external UIs and toggle settings in the background without interrupting your workflow, covering browse and computer use operations. Automations allow for unattended code execution and data analysis on a timer. Write the logic, pick a schedule, and let it run while you sleep. Automations can be standalone for fresh runs like daily system audits, or thread-based for context-aware loops within an active project, useful for recurring refactoring. You can deploy background watches and daily commits with full visibility via the automation log. Execute manually, or let the scheduler take over. Chronicle provides persistent screen intelligence. It reads exactly what you see, processing visual desktop context locally to answer complex queries using optical character recognition, or OCR. Chronicle includes built-in guardrails, featuring a strict 6-hour auto-delete rolling window. This prevents infinite storage and data hoarding, ensuring data is purged after 6 hours. Codex offers zero prompt context. The AI instantly analyzes your current active visual state, such as an active dashboard, to deliver targeted solutions without requiring explicit instructions. Use the steer feature to course-correct generations mid-flight. Inject new instructions without interrupting or restarting the current model run. The Multi-Brain Hub allows you to run specialized instances in parallel. Orchestrate design AI, analysis AI, and execution nodes within a single, unified terminal. The Codex architecture acts as an efficiency multiplier. It achieves identical outcomes while burning 4 times fewer output tokens, extending rate limits exponentially. Your deployment blueprint involves 3 steps. 1. Establish parallel project folders. 2. Migrate legacy skills. And 3. Activate Chronicle and schedule daily automations.